Okay, saying the battery's not full, which is because I did not set the battery settings to lithium ion, which are a bit lower voltage. So I don't even know if you can hear me right now, but I think the H0 goggles are recording audio. Quickly just need to check my receiver settings from Crossfire. Check on my goggles. If there's any pedestrians around, they're not. So let's see if this thing is actually doing something. So I converted this from HD0 back to analog because I wanted to test if video transition is penetration is better than with the HD0, which only does that's a fire truck back there. So far, this thing's pretty loud actually, I think. Does good cruising. I dialed in pretty soft rates and cinematic pit and stuff. Presets. I don't dare to do rolls yet because it's a 420 grams battery down there. It's pretty heavy. Yeah, you're at Saga. I cannot go full throttle. No way I can do this. This is 6S. It's 3.7776 volts. This is like less than half stick right now. It's a pretty funny sound from the props actually. Stick wiggle. Okay. It does fly. Love the handling. The speed of flight forwarded for. I'm gonna bring it into land and then put the camera on. Boom. thing's fast, bloody hell. So now down to 3.6. I know I can run these Lions down to 3.0 3.0 if I have to. But whoop, branch. Hi Chris. Yeah, sounds pretty crazy actually. HQ props. I'm not a huge fan of HQ props actually because of the sound. It's just that annoying sound they make all the time. Oh, branch again. I think I hit this branch already 3 times now. Yeah, prop wash here. It's not a freestyler, you can tell. But it wants to go fast. It does. Probably put some lipos on there. Get a little more speed out of it. 3.5 still. I mean, these are 4,000 milliamps batteries. Should last almost forever, I don't know. I have a 10 minutes flight time already on this battery. Ah, not flight time, sorry. On time. This is so much fun, this thing. I'm surprised. The extra weight from the battery actually does something. Makes the flight feel much better. I did fly this with like half weight battery before, half of the weight that I have now, and that actually was pretty flaky. But this is like a lot of fun. Still scared of the heavy battery down there, so I'm not doing any rolls and stuff. .4. Ah, lost video for a sec. Can you imagine I'm just going half throttle now? This is so fast. Don't fancy the Runcombe Racer 3 so much actually, but that's okay. Should pull up my head again. I can fly forever with this battery. It is amazing. 303. I don't know how long I'm flying. It must be like 10 minutes. I don't know. Probably good for more than 10 minutes. Still not pushing it too far, but yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, 301. Going off the throttle, it's still 3.3. Two. Still in the air. This is some forever racer. Jesus. Yeah, I don't see too many of those branches back there. Ah, the net's hanging too low. Got a huge quad. I cannot pass down there. Can I? I can't see a thing. A little bit of sagging right now. 3.2, 3.1. I need to break soon. This is too long. Okay, approaching 3130. How much more can I do? I don't know. Pulling like 20 amps on half throttle. I'm curious to see how the battery will do. Okay, that was below 3. Should probably not push it too far now. Yeah, sounding like a duck with the goggles on my nose. Okay, it's like, I don't know, 17 minutes, 18 minutes on time now. Still in the air. Yeah, I was plugging in the camera and stuff for maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So, still well above 15 minutes flight time, I think. Okay, I should bring it in, I think. It's now idling around 3031.